Here we go, guys. TRON Jesus Christ Lightcycle Run roller coaster. This is it. So this is how it's looking on the inside. So everybody can see the vibe. So cool. I'm just go and wait until we load up. You know me, I go put uno in my pocket. Thank you for the thumbs up. Welcoming guys when you're ready for this. Jeez. I say me have to go hang on, we don't know you see. The line moved very fast. Once we joined the virtual queue, that was about maybe about 12 o'clock. And now yeah, but they were like 6:30. So it take about 6 hours. Jeez. But we did busy. I do a whole heap of other things. This is the ride, I'm telling you guys. This are the ride of your life. You hear me? It's gonna be great. Them have one area first when you come in. You put your bags, hats, everything like that. We are at Disney World Magic Kingdom. Gonna do the TRON Lightning Run roller coaster. It's gonna be great. Yeah, it's sick. I did it before and trust me, this is my favorite ride right here. I have to do it again. Literally wait 6 hours to do this ride. 6 hours. Can you imagine? That's how good this ride is, yo. Now I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can, but just stay with me. Thank you. Just stay with me. I'll show you as much as I can in the meantime, you know. Yeah. Maybe I have to go like put on up first. And then after, I take out the phone.
Perfect. Row 5 on that left, right hand side. I did not go directions. Row 5. I 7. 2 on 2, 2 on 3, 2 on 4, 6, 7, 5. No worries. If it doesn't block the way, catch off it.
Guys, may I get a good seat for no here. Just bear with me. Hello. Hey guys. Alright guys, we are gonna do, just in case you just read, we're at Magic Kingdom. We're gonna do the TRON Lightning Run roller coaster. May I try to get a good seat phone so I want to get the live view, so bear with me, okay? This is gonna be crazy. This is my favorite ride here. Yeah, I did it before, and every time I come out, it's a must. I waited like 6 hours, and I'm gonna see why I waited 6 hours to do this ride. So we're trying to get a good seat. As you can see, everybody are lowered up. Hi Claudia, hi Slappy. This is awesome though. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Oh my god guys, no, look here. Jeez. Guys, it's gonna take off at any moment. Yes, I'm going on it right now. It's gonna be epic. Jesus Christ. I am so nervous. Got it.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Okay, guys, it's showtime!
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5. Captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
That's it?
Yeah,
Really?
apparently.
No, they cut it short.
I've never been on this before.
I've been on it. This is my second time, but it seems like it was a little bit longer. Wow. Guys, how
More
was
for than 6
that?
years to build it.
I mean, no wonder that explained why the line is going so fast, because it's so short.
Be sure to collect your belongings.
Okay. Wow. Here? Okay. Hold on. Go this way? Okay, got it. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh, I notification bell so you get notified every time I go live. I see you next week Sunday. This was awesome, and do remember to watch all the live replays in case you haven't as yet. All right, big up on yourself. Love and love and love. All righty, bye.